Looking for a safe, sturdy, and convenient way to improve bathroom independence? Meet the foldable and freestanding toilet safety frame, designed with comfort, stability, and ease of use in mind. Assembly couldn't be easier. With tool-free setup, you can put it together in just minutes. This sturdy design supports up to 300 pounds of reliable stability. Built with an anti-rust aluminum frame and non-slip suction cups, it delivers peace of mind with every use. Comfort counts. Foam-padded grab bars provide a soft, non-slip grip. And with a generous 20.5-inch width between handles, you'll have plenty of space for safe and comfortable support. The freestanding design means it fits all toilets. No wall mounting required. Its standalone stability makes it the perfect choice for any bathroom. Customize your support with a height range from 27 to 33 inches. And when not in use, the foldable frame makes it easy to tuck away. Safe, sturdy, and simple. This toilet safety frame is a must-have for seniors, those recovering from surgery, or anyone seeking extra bathroom support. Stay independent, stay secure.